How to turn off TikTok content preferences. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on Settings, here you'll find Content Preferences. Click on Content Preferences. After that, click on Restricted Mode. Then click on Turn Off at the bottom. Select what made you turn off and press on Submit. After you do that, it will restart. Now, again go to the same settings and go to Content Preferences. Click on Refresh your For You feed. Press on Start and you're good to go. This is how to turn off TikTok content preferences. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.